Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're going to be looking at the top 20 most expensive Halloween masks that sold on eBay recently. So hopefully you can go out and start looking for these, and maybe you'll find a couple. I like doing these videos because it actually helps me if I'm out going to yard sales or anywhere else, just out and about, and I happen to see something that I looked up or studied. I'll pick it up and hopefully can make some money. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos, and I'll keep doing them. Anyways, let's get on with number 20. Let's go. Alright, number 20. This is a Battlestar Galactica Disco Dancer mask. He has like 4 eyes. Look at this guy. This thing is awesome. Look at the hair. It's all like curly. It's an awesome mask. Oh, it has 2 mouths too. I never noticed that until right now. It's crazy. It sold for best offer. That's $6,999, so you're looking probably like $650, maybe $600 at the lowest. But yeah, super sweet mask. Alright, number 19. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is Leatherface. Look at this guy. That is sweet. Oh man, let's get a close-up of this guy. Oh, there's only one picture of it. That's sad. I wanted to see a few more pictures, but yeah, look at his teeth. Look at the close-up of his teeth. Let's go back over here so I can look at the close-up of his teeth. Look at that. Look at how nasty that looks. And there's like metal in his mouth, and that thing is awesome. He took a best offer. It was selling for $800, so maybe $750, $700, and of course they charge $22 in shipping. But yeah, sweet mask. Keep your eye out for that one. Alright, number 17. What? Number 18. I'm getting my numbers messed up already. We just started. This is a realistic silicone mask, an old man. I saw a lot of these old men when I was doing the research on this video. The old man, look at this. Look at the detail in this thing. A lot of these things are like hand punched. The hair is like hand punched, so it's all handmade. Looks like, I believe this guy makes them by hand. But yeah, look at the crazy detail on this thing. He sold 34 and he has 7 available. So like I said, I believe he makes these by hand, and they're just awesome. Look at that. Look at oh man, and they sold for $799.99 with $25 shipping, so over $800, and we're barely at number 18. So these masks are gonna go for some big prices. Alright, now we're at number 17. This is a lot of Kiss 1978 Halloween masks and costumes. You can see it's just it's all 4 Kiss members. And there's Gene with the tongue. Yeah, it's just, I mean, they don't look like they were very expensive when they were first made or sold. I mean, they're just basic. But yeah, people are willing to spend big money on Kiss. If you find anything vintage Kiss, it's always a home run. This one sold for $810 with $25 shipping. So crazy prices there, and even if you find 1 or 2 of them, you're still looking at hundreds of dollars. All right, this is WFX Silicone Malum demon. Never heard of it. Kind of looks familiar though. He almost looks like Freddy though. Oh, yeah, look at the veins on this guy. Look at that. Super awesome detail on these masks. I mean, hey, if you can start hand making these things, if you have the skill, go ahead. And you can be making some good money on eBay. Look at that. Look at the detail on the nails, on the gloves from the hands. I mean, really nice detail on this guy. He sold for $799.99 with $39 shipping. He sold 1, and He has one left. I don't know if he makes them or what, but oh, his name is the Mask Man, so maybe he makes them. All right, this is a vintage BY. I don't know. This is a devil or Lucifer rubber mask. My thing is, if it's rubber or latex, I'm gonna look it up. I mean, these masks are going for some big prices. Some of them, like this one, isn't even. To me, it doesn't even look that great. I mean, it's not as detailed as the last one. You can see the last one was super. Look at the hands and stuff on this guy, the veins and everything. This one is just basic, and to me, I mean, I would look it up because I know to now, but before I'd probably just pass on it. It's not. It doesn't stand out to me at all, but it stood out. The price stood out for sure. He was selling it for $950, and he took a best offer. So maybe what? I don't know, $900. Amazing. Just for a mask. Oh, here's another old man. This one is another one that is super, actually super creepy. It actually has hair that's embedded in the chest of the latex, or is it latex? Oh, it's silicone. Here, let me show you a better picture. Look at that. That's the hair that's like punched into the silicone. So it took a lot of hours to do this one. You can see the eyebrows and the hair. I mean, it looks amazing. Other than the, like, when you put your eyes in, that's the only part that they've never gotten perfect. Like when they did like Mrs. Doubtfire, the eyes are always just off. But yeah, it's still, this is probably one of the closest ones I've seen. See, you can tell from the eyes, it's just not, yeah, it's just not perfect. But the rest of it is super awesome. Anyways, this one sold for $950 and $22 shipping, so $972. Amazing. All right, let's keep going. This is a pig. This is a custom pig boar mask and gloves. So look at this. This guy is another freaking awesome mask. As you can see, like the different like veins and stuff. I kind of like the first alien type one with the veins better, or demon I guess he was. But yeah, this is still pretty sweet. Let me show you close up. You can see he has even like little nipples that are on the little side, and the veins of it. Yeah, it has like a little bit of like snot coming out of his nose, and super sweet. This one sold for $900 plus $100 shipping. Next one is a vintage. This is like a Scream type mask. I mean, it's I don't know if this is. Oh, I guess it is from Scream. I don't remember this green one at all. Maybe it was in the movie and I missed it. But yeah, this is super funny. There was a ton of Scream masks, so I didn't put them all in. I only took 2 of the top ones that sold, because we would have been probably in the top 10. Probably would have like 5-6 Scream masks. They are very very wanted, so keep your eye out for the Scream masks. They have ones that have white in the background and black. I mean what is it? The material. Man, I can't even think. The material is white and material is black, so keep your eye out for them. And if they glow in the dark, they sell for a lot more. But yeah, you can see this one's was selling for $1,200, and they took a best offer, so maybe $1,100, maybe $1,000. I don't know, but it is a lot of money for a green mask, especially since I don't recognize it. Freddy Krueger silicone mask. Of course, Freddy Krueger is going to be in one of the top masks. Look at the detail on his head. This one actually comes with the sweater. Yeah, you can see this super sweet mask. It looks like Freddy. It's not like those cheap ones you find at like Walmart. And this says Dark Ride on it. Don't know, maybe that's a maker. But yeah, it says that's the maker. Master of Dream, Dark Ride. But yeah, this one sold for $1,200 and $15.95 shipping. So sweet. All right, Pennywise. This one I believe makes it too. Oh yeah, the Shattered FX. He makes these too. This is a customized Pennywise silicone mask. Really sweet. This is more hand punched hair. Man, if you can find these just lying around, people getting rid of them after Halloween, start searching for them after Halloween. People just dumping them. And it's crazy what people will get rid of. So check your Goodwills, check every place when they're getting rid of masks, because if you can find one of two of these, you can make some money. I mean, this is really well made. I doubt people will get rid of this one, but hey, you can find at least a couple $100 ones out there. This one sold for $1,200 plus $35 shipping. Alright, this one is weird. I have no idea. Here, it's a head scratcher. I have no idea why this one would sell for big money. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. If anybody knows, let me know. Is this a special creature that I'm not familiar with, or is it just old? What is it? This one baffles me. This one, for one, looks super uncomfortable to wear. It looks like it's almost like plastic, and then you put it over your head. Oh, that looks super bad. I don't think it would last an hour if I had to go out and trick-or-treating or whatever out there. Anyways, it sold for $1,375 plus $79 shipping. So keep your eye out for this one. This one, amazing. Alright, the next one. This is Jordu Shell Hybrid and John Fuller Bug Eye Alien Mask. Not sure what these guys are from. Maybe these aren't masks. Maybe these are just busts. I don't think you can put these over your head, can you? What? it's cool to look at. I mean, no, look at the awesome like details. So these don't look like masks. I think I just pulled some busts. But anyways, I'll put these in. I'll still put these in because they are super sweet. You can see the brains coming out of this guy. But yeah, it's sold for $1,475 with $10 shipping. So keep your eye out for that one. That crazy money. Alright, we got a Heath Ledger mask. Super sweet mask. Look at that. I wish they would put more than one picture. I mean, some of them just put one picture. I guess that's all they need, but yeah, that is a super sweet mask. I'm guessing it's also hand punched hair too. Yeah, that is awesome. 2 sold already, and he has one left for $1,549.99. So if you need a Halloween costume, hit him up. Alright, next one. Shock Monster Sculptured Latex Mask. This one has showed up on the top like 10 a couple times, so keep your eye out for this one. This one's a sweet like zombie type mask. I wouldn't mind wearing this one on Halloween too. For myself, that is super awesome. Let me give a close-up of his eyeball that popped out. Maybe that's Glenn on The Walking Dead after maybe. Oh yeah, look at his teeth. It is a sweet looking look at the hair. It's all matted up from all the blood falling on his head. Alright, that one sold for $1,727.43. It was weird because it had 30 bids. That's why it went that way. Alright, we are in the top 5. Whoops, I didn't click the button. My bad. Let's get to... this is a different leather face mask. This is from Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. You can see, look, he's got the skin on top of the skin. He's got the messed up tooth right here. Sweet looking mask. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing that's just a picture of what he's supposed to look like and what the mask is in real life. But yeah, this super awesome looking. Yeah, it's just crazy. It was up for $2,000. Took a best offer, so maybe what, $1,900 plus $22 shipping. Alright, number 4. This is another Scream mask. Like I said, I put 2 Scream masks because these are different. This is a white version. The black ones, or the black material versions, seem to sell a little bit less than this one. But yeah, this one sells. You can see there's the glow in the dark part. A lot of these glow in the dark, so keep your eye out for the Scream masks. Pretty much everybody knows is the Scream masks. The original ones really do very well. This one sold for $3,000. So there is a lot of them out there. So if you can find them, hopefully you can find them. Vintage Don Post. If you know Don Post, he basically started selling masks. He's known as the Godfather of masks. Don Post makes a lot of sweet and awesome masks. These are a little bit older. This is a 1980 production test. So yeah, this is just awesome, sweet work. Get a close up here. You can see there's like a mole right here. I wish the guy tried it on so you can see him through his eyes. There you go. Anyways, it sold for $3,056.56 with 12 bids and $14 shipping. So what, almost $3,100 for this guy. But yeah, you can expect that if you find a Don Post mask. Alright, one more. No, actually 2 more. This is a Halloween Michael Myers mask. Again, a bunch of Michael Myers are in the top 10. I just wanted to show you one. I didn't want to bog down on Michael Myers. Especially since the movie came out. I'm sure that drove the price up this year. But yeah, if you don't know, Michael Myers' mask was based off of William Shatner's face. So if you don't know, now you know. But yeah, you can see it is. You can see the original tag still on it, and it's just a nice looking mask. It sold for $3,284 with $7 shipping. And number 1, this is another Don Post mask. This is from Pumpkinhead. This is Halloween 3 Pumpkinhead. Look at the detail on this pumpkin. You can see it's even carved out. The top is all carved out. Just an awesome looking mask. I guess that's where you put your head, but I don't think I want to. Might break it. It would cost me $3,350 to replace it. So I don't think I'd ever put on this mask, not even to try it out. Because, man, if you break it, you buy it. He got this from Berman Studios, the company that did the special makeup for the film. So he just lucked out, I guess. I don't know if he paid up for it or what, but that is super amazing. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I am heading down to Vegas right now. While you're watching this, I'll be heading down to Vegas, meeting up with Star and everybody else down there. Having a great time. I'll have a bunch of videos out for that. The first one will probably be the Goodwill bins. But anyways, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Find some of those masks. Make some money. Take care. Bye.